Dr. Jen here with Create Your Core, a great exercise to help practice with your squat to really work on your hip hinge is a drill that you can do, sit back right up against the wall, okay? So to have an effective hip hinge, you wanna make sure that you're getting that posterior weight shift, being back on your heels, allowing your hamstrings to lengthen, to create tension in your hamstrings to lengthen, as well as getting that axis of rotation right through your hips, okay? Your spine is staying in neutral, so you're not rounding your back this way, and you're also letting your glutes lengthen. You don't want your butt and your muscles tucked under this way when you're squatting. Okay. So you can practice this right up against the wall. You want to be about a foot or so away, right off of the wall. You can place your hands on your rib cage, on your stomach, whatever helps you initiate that good 360 breathing pattern. Okay. Inhale, on the exhale, perform that deep pelvic floor and TA muscle contraction. As you exhale, that's when you're gonna posterior weight shift through weight back through your heels, but you don't want your toes to lift upward. Okay, and you're gonna sit back, trying to get your butt to push into the wall. Again, without rounding your back, without tucking your butt under, without putting pressure through this way. Weight shift back through here, letting your tension occur in your hamstrings to lengthen, and let your glutes lengthen until you hit your butt up against the wall. Okay, so inhale. Exhale, rib cage is down, in line with your pelvic floor and your pelvis. Sitting back, weight shift through your heels, axis of rotation through your hips and pelvis. Tension in your hamstrings, letting your glutes lengthen, tucking back.